Did you already push it?
Yep. I see you, Tanner. Can you see him on my camera?
Oh, look it. There he is.
Can you see his feet?
I can see his face.
I can see his face
See
too.
his tummy. Look at that. He's just a nursing baby and he's got all that tummy.
Can you see my tummy? Oh, it's striped. Do you see Miss Nancy?
Hello.
Say hello, Tanner. Hello. He sounded different. The computer turned off. The battery is dead. Well, can you see that video of that flower? Can you see Tanner chewing his hands?